I compose music, a lot of film music, and I had all these skills in the audio world. It's been a wonderful transition in my life to be able to share those skills with the young people. I tell my students that there's no right mix. You are a creative human being. You're going to bring your idea of what this is going to sound like to the project. I bought this cool little thing called the organelle. What you're supposed to do with this thing is just to get it out of the box and start playing with it. I like to experiment, but I also like to use some of those traditional skills that I was trained in college. I need to create a development section here, and I need to go into a transition period here. One of the things that really adds to all this is the University of Nebraska. They bring people from all over the world here who are bringing different approaches to creativity and creating art. Lincoln's thriving. It's really cool to be a part of this scene.